Good afternoon, everybody. It's Bill from Competition Cars. So now what do we have here? We've got a 1979 Lincoln Mark V with 13,000 ride miles on it. We're going to review the undercarriage. This is a triple black car with a sunroof, a factory sunroof. And when I say this car is stunning, it is stunning. Turbine wheels, again, triple black, black leather, black vinyl top, black paint. Love that it's got a sunroof. And you can see this is definitely a really, really nice rust-free example. I mean, a really nice example. Stock exhaust all the way back. All the frame rails are clean. There's no grime. There's no corrosion. There's no rust. Look at these, I like to call virgin floor pans. They're not coated with a bunch of undercoating from back in the factory. Looks very, very correct under here and very pristine under here. Look at those frame rails. Awesome. And this is kind of what separates us from a lot of guys who are selling classic cars. They leave these undercarriages kind of dingy and dirty. We like to bring them to the next level. That way, if you put the car in the lift, the bottom of the car kind of matches the top of the car. There's just nothing worse than a just dirty, grimy undercarriage with cobwebs and not well prepared. So we take pride in doing that. Looks like it's got a new muffler on the back. All the bright work looks great. Can't wait to show you the rest of the car. I'll give you a really quick sneak peek here of the exterior so you can see what it is. Again, triple black with a factory roof and turbines. So you won't find a nicer example. Stay tuned for more footage. The other great thing about us is we do not modify or do anything with our pictures or videos. Everything is what you see is what you get. We're not tampering with them and what's the word I'm looking for now? I'm drawing a blank, but Photoshop. We don't Photoshop. We don't edit. No editing. No Photoshopping on our pictures or our videos. So the car that you see is actually what you're going to get. So there it is, guys. Check it out. Have a great day. You're going to see this on YouTube first. It will be live on Bring a Trailer. I will have more videos of the exterior, the interior, the trunk, and the engine bay. And I can't wait to show you all the docs on this car. It's a really special car, guys. Have a great day. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Thanks.